Okay, question 7 is x plus 4y equal 3, equation 1, and negative 5x minus 20y equal negative 15, equation 2. Now, if you multiply by 5, the equation 1, we have 5x plus 20y equal 15, equation 1 transformed. Now ready for elimination. Okay, equation 1 transformed plus equation 2. This and this cancel, this and this cancel, that's 0 on the left hand side. Yeah, the right hand side is cancel also, it's 0. It's true, no contradiction, but that means que have infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Okay, to write then the solution set. Basically the solution set is all the point ordered by x, y such that satisfy either equation, both equations, because by the way are the same, they are depending equation. So you take the easier equation, for example, you take this, and you define, for example, here, let me write here, x plus 4y equal 3, and you define, it doesn't matter the order, x is the independent variable. In other words, it's free. Independent, you can assign all real number here. And y no, y is dependent variable. So you solve for y. For y is equal 3 minus x divided by 4, both sides. Then y is equal 3 minus x over 4. You're right, it's all the point on this line such that satisfy this condition. Y is equal 3 minus x over 4 and x is all real number because x is free variable, it's independent. See, I asked you, for example, another additional question. What is the dimension of the solution set? The dimension is not 0 because it's 0 when there's a point. In this case, the solution is infinity point on the line. You see, this line is dimension is 1 because geometrically speaking, the line is one dimension object. However, this number 1 is exactly the same the amount of the free variable that we have in our problem. In this case it's easy because it's two-dimensional problem, but in other problem is multi-dimension, this is maybe complicated. Okay, now question 8 is x over 2 plus y over 3 is equal 4, equation 1, and x over 4 plus y over 6 is equal to equation 2. It's a system, but the only complication here is that we have fraction. And the systematic way to eliminate the fraction is you multiply the entire equation by the least common denominator, in this case is 6. When you multiply 6 times everything, 6 times 1/2 is 3x plus 2y is equal to 24. This is equation number 1, transform it without fraction. And likewise, the LCD in the second is 12. Multiply 12 times 24 as 3x plus 2y is equal to 24. This is equation number 2 transform. And you see they are identical equations. One more time, you see it's dependent equation is the same. Now we have one more time infinitely many solutions. How you express that? When you take, for example, either equation here and solve for y, this is 2y is equal 24 minus 3x divided by 2 by 2 by 2, y is equal 12 minus 3 over 2x. Okay, this is the solution set is all the point on the line such that y is equal, because the dependent variable, 12 minus 3 over 2x, and x is all real number. This is the answer. Okay, question 9. Okay, question 9 is a system that contains 3 variables. The 3 equations and 3 unknown. Okay. Okay, what's the strategy here? You pair 2 equations. I propose you pair the first one and the second. Why? The reason is because I see it's ready for elimination, at least positive 4 and negative 4. You add it. Equation number 1, equation number 2, this is 8x. This is cancel out, and by coincidence cancel out c also. And we have 24 here. Divided by 8, both sides. X is equal to 3. Now, for finding 2 remaining variables, y and z, there are many possibilities. One possibility is, for example, substitution x in the first equation. Let's see. It's 3 times 3 plus 4y plus c is equal to negative 1. This is 9 plus 4y plus c equal to negative 1. Therefore, 4y plus c is equal to negative 10. And likewise, using, for example, equation 3 or 2, whatever, using 3i, there's no special reason. It's again 3 times 3 plus y plus 3z equal 12. This is 9 plus y plus 3z equal 12. Then y plus 3z is equal 12 minus 9 is 3. So you have this equation, I have this equation. Okay, basically it's two equations that contain only two variables. Okay, let me solve that. So I copy 4y plus z is equal negative 10, and y plus 3z equal positive 3. Okay, entonces I propose, for example, multiplication the second by negative 4, because the intention is negative 4 times 1 is negative 4, that's a negative 4y minus 12z is equal negative 12. Okay, so when you adding, okay, so I delete this equation. When you adding this, is cancel out. Now this is negative 11. C is equal, and this is negative 22 divided by negative 11 both sides. C is equal to, so far we have x equal 3, c equal 2. I need to find y. Let me use in here y, and what equation am I using? For example, using this equation directly to say y, okay, I don't know, plus 3 times z gets 2 is equal 3, y is plus 6 is equal 3, then y is equal 3 minus 6 gets negative 3. Now the solution, the triple order pair solution is x is 3, comma, minus 3 gets y, comma, 2 gets z. So the order is alphabetical order, x, y, and z. And this is the answer corresponding with the option A. Okay, now question 10. It's a 16 again, 3 equation and 3 variable. Let me copy, just copy the equation. X plus y plus z is equal 11. Okay, this is the system, 3 equation, 3 variable. So you pair, for example, I pair 1 and 2. Why I pair 1 and 2? Because I saw at least y variable is ready for elimination. When you add in this, we have 2x. This is cancel out. Plus 3z is equal 14. Okay, let me call this equation number 4. Likewise, he pair number 2 equation and number 3 by the same reason. So this is the most important moment. So you pair the second and you must eliminate the signs. You eliminate the first pair, the y, you must eliminate the second pair, the y. You eliminate another variable? No. This is wrong. So you combine, here is 6. Cancel out this and this. This is 3z equal 18. And this is equation 5. Now you copy here equation 5 down, so we have in this moment a new system but we're using only 2 variables. So you multiply, for example, multiplication by -1 here, multiplication by -1, we have minus 6x minus 3z is equal minus 18, and you combine this equation as minus 4x, cancel out this part, is equal -4, divided by -4 both sides, x is equal 1. Now for finding, for examples, C, you plug it in here, well, it doesn't matter, in 5 or in 4, 6 times 1 plus 3z is equal 18, 6 plus 3z is equal 18, 3z is equal 18 minus 6 is 12, divided by 3 is 4. Okay, entonces now for finding the last variable is y, you should do in either equation, number 1, number 2, and number 3. I select the easier, in my opinion, number 1. This is x is 1, plus y I don't know, plus c is 4, is equal 7. Combine y plus 5 is equal 7, y is equal 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay, solution. Solution is the triplet order formed by x is 1, y is 2, and z is 4. They correspond with the option B in our handout. Okay, now 11. 11 again is a system, 3 equation, 3 variable. I just copy that. Okay, this is the question. Now you pair smart. You pair, for example, number 1 and number 2. Because I saw, one more time, que at least this is ready for elimination in the variable y. So we have 2x. This is cancel. We have 4c. It is 24. And this is equation number 4. If you want to simplify a little bit, you divide everything by 2. It says x plus 2z equal 12. This is a more simplification way to write equation number 4. Likewise, same thing. I pair equation 2 and 3. Suppose x minus y plus 3z equal 14, and 2x plus 2y plus 2z equal 12. I propose division the equation number 3 by 2. When you divide the entire equation number 3 by 2, we have x plus y plus c equal 6. Now ready for elimination. Adding here is 2x. This is cancelled. Same thing. And this is 4 plus 4z equal 20. Okay, one more time. I saw it's possible division by 2 to say that is x plus 2z equal 10. And this is equation number 5. I want to copy here. X plus 2z is equal to 10. This is equation number 5. And this is our new system. Now, let me try. Suppose I want to multiply by -1 the second of the 5 equation, because I want to eliminate x. Entonces, negative x minus 2z is equal minus 10. Okay, now combine. X minus x cancel out. This was the intention. However, look at that. 2z and minus z is cancel out again. So in the left hand side we have 0. In the right hand side we have 12 minus 10 is 2. Okay, this is a statement completely false. This is a contradiction. Therefore, the interpretation of this is no solution. This system have no solution. This system is inconsistent. Que corresponde en the handout the hawk shot.